In January 1919, Boston experienced an unusual disaster when a giant molasses storage tank burst, unleashing a wave of molasses rushing through the streets. Witnesses described the thick syrup traveling at 35 miles per hour, the sticky flood engulfing buildings and wreaking havoc on the city. The catastrophe claimed 21 lives and injured 150 others, leading to a massive cleanup effort. Investigations revealed negligence in maintaining the tank, resulting in a high-profile lawsuit against the United States Industrial Alcohol Company. This bizarre yet tragic event left an indelible mark on Boston's history, highlighting the unforeseen dangers of industrial growth and leading to significant changes in safety regulations.